Hello everyone, in this video let's see how to update Playwright version. Since Playwright is an npm package, you can update the Playwright to the latest or specific version using the npm update or install command. There are several variations of updating the npm package. Let's discuss a few of them in this video. So you can check the Playwright version by typing npx @playwright /test version. My current version is 1.26.1. You can type in Google for Playwright release notes. Here in release note you can see latest version is 1.27 and the version which I am using is 1.26.1. So to update to the latest version, type npm install @playwright /test @latest. Press enter. Changed two packages. So now you can confirm the latest version is installed by using the same command npx @playwright /test version. You can see earlier I was using 1.26.1 and now the version is 1.27.1. Now after installing you need to type npx playwright install to download the new browser. Otherwise you will get a message to download new browser once you will run your test. So type npx playwright install to download the new browsers and removing the unused browser. The same way you can update Playwright to specific version. So right now I am using version 1.27.1 and I want to install a previous version. Let's install version 1.24. So type npm install @playwright /test @1.24. Earlier we were using latest keyword, now give the version number. Press enter. Changed two packages. Now you can check the version using the same command. My version is 1.24.2. Earlier it was 1.27. Now use the same command to download the browser npx playwright install. Now this time you can see it is downloading Chromium 104.0 and Firefox also and WebKit. You can also install or update using package.json. So right now my version is 1.24. Let's update to 1.26. So replace this 1.24 with 2.6. Save it and type npm install in terminal. Changed two packages. Now check the version. You can see version 1.26.1 is installed and you can use npx playwright install to install the browsers. So it's removing unused browser and downloading the Chromium and other browser compatible with 1.26. Done. You must have seen the star, caret greater than, equal to, or few other symbol along with package version, and people use npm install or npm update commands to install or update packages. These symbols have special meanings, and npm install and npm update command install the package differently. To understand symbol logic, refer to npm dependencies document. Open this docs.npmjs.com. Here you will see npm dependencies. This one you can see greater than, must be greater than version, greater than, equal to, compatible with version, using caret symbol. You can use star, matches any version, and there are few other symbols also, and you can use several variations as well. And also check the difference between npm install and npm update from the Stack Overflow. So here this answer is good. So if version is already installed, install will ignore and update will change the version. And you can also go through this summary, additional, and few other answers on Stack Overflow to understand the difference. Thank you for watching this video.